You're giving me love, you're giving me hugs, you're giving me melody, you're giving me air to breathe. You let me feel how it is to sit in loneliness. So I come to you with a broken heart and humbleness. Help me rise above my failings and disappointments. You're giving so much to me. I could have everything in the world, but it wouldn't touch my heart like you would. So I come before your presence to say thank you. I'm sorry, but I could never repay like I'm used to. No.